Right, two more examples on condensing logarithms. So here we have 1/3 times the quantity 5 times x plus 6 minus ln x minus the natural log of x squared minus 25. So I'm going to go ahead and save multiplying the 1/3 at the end. That'll become a power over our log. I'm going to write this as 1 log here. And I think I forgot to write the natural log in there as I was copying this problem. So that should be 5 times the natural log of x plus 6. So notice we have a difference here and then a difference here. What we're going to do is anything with a negative in front is going to go in the denominator. And before we do that, though, we're going to take this 5 and write it as a power. So this is going to be 1/3 times the quantity of the natural log of x plus 6 to the power of 5. And then we have minus the natural log of x minus the natural log of x squared minus 25. So like I said, everything with a negative in front is going to go in the denominator. So here we have x plus 6 to the 5th. And that's in the numerator. And then in the denominator, we have x times x squared minus 25. And we're taking the natural log of that whole thing. And that's, of course, multiplied by 1/3. Now that this 1/3 is multiplied by the natural log of this whole thing, we can take that 1/3 as a power, and it's going to be taking everything inside the natural log, raising it to the power of 1/3, which is the cube root. So this is going to be condensed as the natural log of the cube root of x plus 6 to the 5th divided by x and then times x squared minus 25. And that is our final answer. All right. Here we have the difference. Here we have a sum. And we don't have any constants out in front. So we can go ahead and combine those using the product and difference rules or quotient rule. Product and quotient rule is what I meant to say. And we've got now the log, which is the common log, because there's no base, of x times the quantity x squared minus 4, that's in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 15 times the quantity x plus 2. And notice that this is the product, it's the difference of squares, so it's the product of x times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So we can go ahead and cancel these common factors here. And that simplifies as the common log of x times x minus 2 divided by 15.